Hey everyone, with the release of the Redmi K90, it is evident that Xiaomi is venturing boldly into flagship territory rather than merely dominating the low-cost market. For less than $400, this phone has cutting-edge performance, remarkable camera gear, and a massive battery. It's a gadget that confronts much more costly rivals in almost every way, in addition to pushing the limits of what's feasible at this price point. Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, along with Adreno 83 GPU graphics, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.1 storage, form the core of the Redmi K90. Because of this combination, it is among the quickest phones in its class and functions like a flagship in everyday use. It is powerful, responsive, and fluid. The K90 effortlessly manages all tasks, including gaming, multitasking, and photo editing. Its reputation as a serious mobile gaming device is cemented by this heat performance. Another noteworthy aspect is the display. The TCL M10 LTPO OLED panel used in Xiaomi's premium 17 series is also used in the Redmi K90. It is 6.59 inches in size and has Dolby Vision certification, HDR10+ support, and a sharp 2K resolution with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It is visible even in direct sunshine, with a peak brightness of up to 3,500 nits. The Redmi K90 is once again surprising when it comes to the camera. A 50 megapixels Light Hunter 800 primary sensor with OIS, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 50 megapixels 2.5 times telephoto periscope lens make up the triple lens configuration. This arrangement enables flexible photography in a variety of settings. The 20 megapixel front camera performs well for social media and video chats, taking crisp, realistic selfies in natural tones. A large 7,100 mAh battery with 100-watt wired charging capability powers the entire device. Excellent endurance is the ultimate consequence, lasting well past a full day of intense use. Fast charging ensures little downtime by refilling the battery in just over 30 minutes. Additionally, the Redmi K90 has high-end features that are uncommon at this budget. It has a sophisticated X-axis linear motor for accurate haptics and two Bose-tuned stereo speakers that produce rich, clear, and well-balanced sound. In addition to supporting Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC, it has IP68 and IP69 classifications for dust and water resistance, features usually found on real flagship phones. For quick and dependable unlocking, it also includes a 3D ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. With enhanced efficiency and better control over performance and battery management, Xiaomi's most recent HyperOS 3, which is based on Android 16, seems finished. In summary, the Redmi K90 is a true flagship contender, rather than merely a flagship killer. Thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, it offers powerful gaming performance, flagship quality photography with its triple 50 megapixel system, and all-day endurance with a big 7,100 mAh battery. It is evident that this phone delivers an unmatched value proposition for about $350 when you consider the Bose-tuned audio and high-end design. In order to give consumers a taste of high-end performance without the high-end cost, Xiaomi has developed a gadget that blurs the boundaries between mid-range and flagship. The Redmi K90 shows that you don't have to pay a fortune to have both gaming capability and camera versatility. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.